Vocabulary practice. Please pause the video at any time to read the examples. Catalyst. Catalyst means a person or thing that precipitates an event or change. For example, her speech acted as a catalyst for social reform. Conspicuous. Conspicuous means standing out so as to be clearly visible. For example, he wore a conspicuous red hat. Credible. Credible means able to be believed, convincing. For example, the witness provided a credible testimony. Culminate. Culminate means to reach a climax or point of highest development. For example, years of research culminated in a groundbreaking discovery. Cynical. Cynical means believing that people are motivated by self-interest, distrustful of human sincerity. For example, he has a cynical view of politics. Deduce. Deduce means to arrive at a fact or conclusion by reasoning. For example, from the clues, the detective could deduce what happened. Deficit. Deficit means the amount by which something is too small. For example, the company is facing a budget deficit. Deliberate. Deliberate means done consciously and intentionally. For example, she made a deliberate effort to improve her grades. Depict. Depict means to represent by drawing or painting, portray. For example, the artist chose to depict a serene landscape. Diligent. Diligent means showing care and conscientiousness in one's work. For example, she is a diligent student who always completes her assignments. Disparity. Disparity means a great difference. For example, there is a disparity between the rich and the poor. Disseminate. Disseminate means to spread widely. For example, the organization aims to disseminate information about health. Dubious. Dubious means hesitating or doubting, not to be relied upon. For example, she gave a dubious reply to the question. Elicit. Elicit means to evoke or draw out a response. For example, the teacher's question elicited no response. Elude. Elude means to evade or escape from. For example, the suspect managed to elude the police. Empirical. Empirical means based on observation or experience. For example, they gathered empirical data for the study. Erratic. Erratic means not even or irregular, unpredictable. For example, the weather has been erratic this week. Facilitate. Facilitate means to make an action or process easier. For example, the new software will facilitate project management. Fortify. Fortify means to strengthen or reinforce. For example, they plan to fortify the city's defenses. Foster. Foster means to encourage or promote development. For example, the teacher's role is to foster learning. Frugal. Frugal means economical in use or expenditure, prudently saving. For example, living a frugal lifestyle can help save money. Galvanize. Galvanize means to shock or excite into action. For example, the urgent news galvanized them into immediate action. Gratify. Gratify means to give pleasure or satisfaction. For example, it gratified him to see his students succeed. Hinder. Hinder means to create difficulties resulting in delay or obstruction. For example, bad weather may hinder our progress. Illicit. Illicit means forbidden by law, rules, or custom. For example, he was arrested for illicit activities. Impeccable. Impeccable means in accordance with the highest standards. Faultless. For example, she has impeccable taste in fashion. We hope you like and subscribe to our channel. Practice again later to reinforce what you've learned.